Your best Boracay experience starts here. True enough. I'm not sure if I am in Boracay or in paradise. Grabe. White beach and crystal blue waters that glistening during the day. Indeed, it is a world-class beauty. A vacation in Boracay is incomplete without experiencing at least one of the Boracay Island hopping tour. Kaya tinodo na namin. That's Gwen with Daddy. Pasakay na kami sa boat to start our island hopping. But actually, hindi na nag-registered sa mind ko kung ano yung mga island na pupuntahan namin. Because my mind was so busy calculating sa binayad namin kasi 700 pesos per head. So, 7 kami